Institute Aminuddin Baqi IAB was established in March 1979. Its original name was Malaysian Educational Staff Training Institute, MESTI, a training institute for education officers that was then a part of the Teacher Education Division, Ministry of Education. The establishment of MESTI is based on the report of the Cabinet Committee Review of the Implementation of Education Policy 1979, which proclaimed a local training institution to improve the professional quality of the Ministry of Education officers. MESTI operated from Wisma Mirama, Kuala Lumpur, and shifted to 3 different locations before being located at Sri Layang, Genting Highlands, Pahang in March 1985. With the relocation of its operations to Genting Highlands, MESTI was given the status of division in the Ministry of Education and designated as the National Institute of Educational Management, NIEM. NIEM was renamed to Institute Aminuddin Baqi, IAB, on 14th March 1988 in memory and honor of the late Mr. Aminuddin Baqi's contribution towards education. He was the Chief Advisor to the Ministry of Education in 1962. The year 2013 marks a milestone in the history of IAB. Institute Aminuddin Baqi's main campus, formerly located in Genting Highlands, moved to its new main campus at the Nilai Education Complex, Bandar Enstek, Negeri Sembilan. It is located 23 kilometers away from the Seremban City Centre and 25 kilometers from the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, KLIA. The new main campus covers an area of 77 hectares, surrounded by educational centres such as the Teachers Education Institute, Technical Campus, the Nilai Polytechnic, and the English Language Teaching Centre, ELTC. IAB now has 4 training campuses. Its main campus is located in Nilai Education Complex, whilst the other 3 branch campuses are located in Genting Highlands, Pahang, Jitra, Kedah, and Kuching, Sarawak. The IAB Genting Highlands campus is designated for internationalization programs. Apart from these 4 campuses, the IAB Sabah branch was established in the year 2010. As an educational management and leadership training institution, IAB is committed to its mission of building educational leadership capacity for quality organizations. This is in line with IAB's vision to be a center of distinction for educational leadership. IAB has 6 main functions, namely training, assessment, consultation, research, publication, and think tank in the field of educational leadership and management. IAB is in the forefront of new initiatives to provide quality programs and management systems in order to produce educational leaders that are competent and credible. Based on the mandate given to IAB, the Institute has succeeded in improving the performance of schools. Having existed for more than 30 years, IAB has remarkable achievements in the fields of educational leadership and management. IAB has received international recognition for the designing of Malaysian School Leaders Competency, or COMPAS, an instrument to measure the needs of educational leaders and thereby matching programs offered by IAB to their relevant needs. This innovation led to the attainment of Simeo Jasper Research Award from the Southeast Asian Ministry of Education Organization, Simeo, a prestigious award given for exemplary research conducted in the region by Southeast Asian nationals. In the year 2012, IAB's InnoVision team became the management category champions in the Innovative and Creative Circle Convention. IAB has also crafted a name in the international education arena through its involvement both at national and international educational events. The Regional Conference on Leadership and Management, RCELM, is one of IAB's prestigious platforms in the international education arena. Through RCELM, professional networking is established between Institute Aminuddin Baki and Manipal Institute of Management, as well as comparative research with 7 other countries, namely South Africa, Iran, Maldives, India, Thailand, Japan, and Kazakhstan. Besides efforts to position IAB on the world map, this institute also plays a role in giving prestige to the educational leadership and management arena within the country. In Malaysia, IAB is the key player in providing quality training in the field of educational leadership and management to officers and staff from the Ministry of Education, Malaysia. IAB offers long-term courses such as the National Professional Qualification for Educational Leaders or NPQEL program, which is an in-service headship preparatory training program for leadership and management initiated by the Ministry of Education, MOE.
Generally, NPQEL program is very relevant. It was a good course that gave me a lot of confidence and self-esteem to take up leadership posts in school. There were a lot of subjects taught in NPQEL and they were all helpful. We learned all the basic about leadership, curriculum management, strategic management, student affairs, human resource management, learning assessment and development, school and community relation, co-curriculum and sport leadership, financial, ICT management, health and safety in school, and also some legal aspects in school management. The NPQEL program helped us to understand our own strength and areas of improvement in our school management and leadership. It helped us to implement the effective school characteristics and best practices in leadership.
Apart from long-term courses, IAB also offers short-term courses such as the Continuous Professional Development or CPD courses. These courses are organized based on the 6 main domains of COMPASS or the school leader's competency.
I have attended several courses in IAB and find these courses have been able to provide meaningful input on educational leadership and management. I was also able to apply the knowledge gained from the courses and obtain skills in realizing them into effective activities. For me, the IAB has been able to play its role to develop the capacity of educational leaders in leading and managing staff in the school and also the system in the Ministry of Education. The areas that I found beneficial for educational leaders are change management, teamwork, tool for school improvement, and instructional leadership.
In the National Education Blueprint 2013 to 2025, the NPQEL certificate has been recognized as a requirement for appointment to the post of principals or head teachers. Thus, IAB plays an important role in realizing Shift 5 of the National Education Blueprint, that is, to ensure high-performing school leaders in every school. IAB also conducts consultation and mentoring training programs and services. Various programs have been carried out to ensure that school leaders and education officials from the Ministry of Education Malaysia, state education departments, and district education officers receive consultancy in the field of educational management and leadership. Follow-up and follow-through programs are carried out to observe best leadership practices after participants undergo the CPD courses, and residency and immersion programs of PRIME. To facilitate effective teaching and learning in IAB, The campuses are well equipped with various amenities and facilities, thus providing a conducive learning environment both for the attainment and sharing of knowledge and skills, as well as promoting overall well-being of the participants. IAB aspires to spearhead excellence by providing quality training programs in educational leadership and management that caters to the needs of all its clients, both local and international. IAB is envisaged to become an apex leadership and management training institute not only in this region but also globally.